Right, this is the meter that you will be getting on the day. Okay, it's the Gluco RX Nexus machine. In it, you'll get a pack of lancets, the lancing device, pack of test strips, the meter, and some control solution. Firstly, okay, we need to set up your lancing device. Take a lancet out of the packet. So you need to take one of the lancets out of the packet. As you can see, there's two different colours. Where the white meets the grey is a little arrow. If you unclick and pull apart, put the lancet inside the lancing device. Unscrew the end. That exposes the needle. You need to put the lid back on and click it into place. As you can see, the button is orange. That means it's ready to fire into the finger. If at any point that's not orange, what you need to do is then pull back, and as you can see, it's now ready to fire. This end here is the depth indicator. That's the depth, obviously the needle goes into the finger. We recommend you have it around 3 or 4, okay, 5 unless you're really struggling to get any blood sample. Once that's set up, we then obviously take the test strips out of the packet. Just take a test strip out of the packet and place it into the top of the meter. The meter should be already set up with a date and time. Wait for it to check the strip, and then you'll see a flashing sample. Now the meter is ready to go. And all you have to do is then stab your finger with the lancing device. What we must say to you is obviously before you do any testing is to make sure you wash your hands in ordinary soap and water. Don't use antibacterial gel, as this can raise your blood sugars up by about 8 millimoles. Okay, make sure you wipe your hands properly and that you've got no water on your fingers. Okay, make sure you use the last 3 fingers, either on both hands. Use the outside edges. Stay away from the pads as these can become quite sensitive, and don't use your pinching fingers. Once you've done the test, okay, and got your blood sample, you then just dip the test strip into the blood sample. The meter will count down from 5 and will come up with your result. Once you've done that, you need to make sure you're putting a clean lancet in at every test. So unclick the lancing device. Use the bit you unscrewed off earlier. Stab it into the lancet. As you can see, this grey bit of the lancing device moves and it will fire it out to stop any needle stick injuries. Then place it back on, click it into place, and it's ready to use for next time. I'll just explain what the control solution's for. This is just to make sure your meter is in working order. If you're using your meter on a regular basis, probably about 4 times a day, we recommend you test that your meter is picking up within range probably every couple of weeks. You do it as if you're just doing a test. So all you have to do is take a test strip, place it into the top of the meter, undo your control solution, place the bob on the lid, and dip your test strip in. As you can see, it's counting down. If that comes up with a range, then you know your meter is in working order. It'll let you know if it's not working. It'll come up with errors, which could be ranging from E3 to E10, which then obviously you can check your instructions which error it is.